Good evening, God bless you, God bless you. Welcome to Spilling the Tea at 10 on Word at Night. All right, y'all. The word of the week is salvation, and we're coming from 2 Corinthians chapter 6, starting at verse 1. Okay? 2 Corinthians chapter 6, starting at verse 1, and I'm reading from the New King James Version. This is what it says. We then, as workers together with him, also plead with you not to receive the grace of God in vain. For he says, in an acceptable time I have heard you, and in the day of salvation I have helped you. Behold, now is the accepted time. Behold, now is the day of salvation. Now, the Apostle Paul is sharing with the Corinthians how God and them are pleading that all people are reconciled to him. Reconciled to God. But if the believers live for themselves, and y'all, this word is as vital for us today as it was back then. If the believers live for themselves, they will receive grace. They will receive the grace of God, but they will miss out. They will miss out on the heavenly reward for their service to him. Oh my goodness. See, it is key that faith in Jesus Christ and why he came is why we're saved. That's how we're saved. Faith in Jesus Christ and why he came. Because he's the sacrifice. You have to know that. That's how we're saved. It's simple. It ain't hard. It's simple. It's important. But man, it's impactful. I'm just spilling the tea at 10 on Word at Night. Wow. You guessed it, sipping on my tea. It's so simple. It's not hard. Believe, receive, and know why he came. All right, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow night right here on Spilling the Tea at 10. Roy, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have this week. Do what you do, baby. All right? Okay, I hope to see you tomorrow night right here on Spilling the Tea at 10. God bless you.